Good afternoon, class. So, in the last video, I had my jar, my beaker over here that was, that had some hot water. So this time I decided to do a little part 2 of this video and say, well, I'm going to heat up the can directly this time. So now, class, let's see. Now let's make a prediction. Now that not just the air inside is getting really hot, but the can itself, the can walls themselves are actually being directly heated by the heating pad. Now what do you think will happen if I've got all this superheated air dunked into the beaker? Yes?
It's really a lot. I think it's really hot.
Okay. And hopefully the camera can see this, but do you see there's a bunch of ice cubes over here? So what will happen to the ice cubes? Yes? Oh, okay, so it might crush. Okay, sounds good. So now that we've got some predictions. See what happens when we actually do this. All right. Whew. A little bit nervous. All right, here we go. Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it didn't.
All right. Yep. And so, did you notice what happened to the water level? Right? Wasn't it about up to here?
Yeah.
And now, and I'll show this for the camera. The water level is a lot lower because it got sucked into because it was so hot. The air pressure is actually a lot lower inside of the can than it is outside. So what happens is because I'm basically forming a vacuum by plunging it into the cold water, especially open side down. So now all that hot air has nowhere to go. It's rapidly cooling because of the water, and so either there's a vacuum that can be formed, or the water can get sucked up into the can, which is exactly what happens. Okay. And of course the result is a nice crushed can. So glad that worked. So shout out to period 3 and from the class from the school year to 2023 and 2024. This was a can crushing video to show gas laws. Study hard. See you guys in the next video.